Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to print enlarged images across multiple pages in Microsoft Word for poster printing. If you want to turn a normal image into a big poster using a regular home printer, this step-by-step guide will help you do it easily. Let's get started. First, what are we doing? Since most home printers can only print A4 or letter-size paper, we'll enlarge an image in Word so it spreads across multiple pages. After printing, you can tape the pages together to create a large poster. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Step 2. Insert your image. Go to the top menu and click Insert. Then click Pictures. Choose This Device and select the image you want to turn into a poster. Once inserted, click on the image to select it. Step 3. Change text wrapping. Click the small Layout Options icon next to the image. Select Behind Text or In Front of Text. This allows you to freely resize the image without restrictions. Step 4. Resize the image to poster size. Click and drag the corners of the image to enlarge it. For more precise sizing, click on the image, go to the Picture Format tab, and look for the Size section on the right. You can manually enter a larger width and height, for example, 40 centimeters wide and 60 centimeters tall. As you increase the size beyond one page, Word will automatically split the image across multiple pages. Step 6. Adjust margins for better coverage. Go to Layout. Click Margins and select Narrow to reduce white space. This helps maximize the printable area on each page. Step 7. Check Print Preview. Now go to File and click Print. In the Print Preview window, scroll through the pages. You should see different parts of your image spread across multiple pages. If it's not large enough, go back and increase the image size further. Step 8. Print the poster pages. Select your printer and click Print. Once printed, trim the edges if needed and align the pages together using tape or glue from the backside. Optional tip: if you want perfect scaling control, you can set your page size under Layout and adjust orientation to portrait or landscape depending on your poster design. And that's it. That's how you enlarge an image in Microsoft Word and print it across multiple pages for poster printing, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.